March 6, 2026. This is our little family's first international adventure. One of our dreams is showing our boys the world, and our first stop, Hong Kong.
What is
Andito
that?
na kami sa Clark International Airport and we're waiting for our boarding time.
Oh, let's go na. Punta airplane?
The kids are so excited and honestly, mommy is excited too. This is also our first passport stamp, so it feels extra special. Yung bunso, busy kumakain ng gummies. Since hindi sila pwede sa bubble gum, gummies na lang. Sabi kasi nila, chewing is good para ma-prevent yung ear pressure sa tenga or sa ears. Effective naman guys, kasi look at the little boy, pa-cute ng pa-cute. Everything was fine and he enjoyed the flight. Core memory unlocked. I let Kuya sit by the window para makita niya yung view on top.
Wow! Tumbo pa para makikita pa namin yung ibaba.
Yung isa napagod ng kakakain sa mga gummies. Pahiga-higa, chill-chill na lang while nangungulangot. Ew! Ayan, around 11:43 in the morning, nakarating kami sa Hong Kong.
Dito na tayo sa Hong Kong. Kaso 43 pa. Meow! 1 hour lang maliit.
Be careful when opening the overhead compartments as baggage could fall out.
Here na! Kaso hindi pa sa ano lang pa kami. Sa airport lang. Hindi pa sa Disneyland.
Share ko lang guys, ako lahat nagplan ng itinerary, nagbook ng flight, ng hotel reservations, ticket sa Disneyland, and everything using Klook. While si Daddy ang nagbayad. Hello, Hong Kong!
Wow! Malayo yung house namin dito. Wala na yung house. Ma, ano? Mano mo kesa? Pangmamadali yan.
March 6, 2026, we arrived in Hong Kong at around 12 noon. The weather was really good. It was sunny pero malamig. Dahil sa laki ng airport, we have to take train going to immigration. On our first day in Hong Kong, we stayed at Marriott Hong Kong Sky City. It's very convenient kasi they have free shuttle to airport and to Tung Chung. Ang bait ng staff because they let us check in kahit wala pang 3 p.m. Now we're getting ready para pumunta sa Tung Chung. We're gonna look for a restaurant, food to eat, and a place to visit. Pag ganito, importante talaga yung internet kaya never forget to buy SIM card sa airport pa lang. Hindi kami nahirapan sa commute kasi may ChatGPT naman. To access ChatGPT here in Hong Kong, we're going to ride a train again! Nakatulong talaga yung AI pagbigay ng directions to get to some places. Gaya ngayon, we're going to Tsim Sha Tsui. Here, you need octopus card to get on train and bus. After ilang stations, narating na nga namin ang Chimsha Church. We walked around and looked for some street foods or noodles.
Lumalabas.
It's cold. It's cold, boy.
Yan na lang yung may parang...
Masarap yung street food nila. May chicken, may bituka, may pork, may fruit shakes, may sausage na binalot ng bacon.
What? Ano?
Wawa daw sa pinatay niya.
Wawa siya.
Kawawa daw yung Peking duck.
Nakakabisit yung time niya. Pinatay niya.
We were looking for more street foods, kaya lang mga restaurants pala yung nandito and bars. Dapat pala doon kami pumunta sa Jordan Station dahil may temple night market doon.
Kain kaya yata may guy. Oo, pabagay ito.
Nasi puding kayo.
Lobster. Ah, wala yung lobster. Ah, hindi yan. Kami lupa yung manyaman ni Kenny. Oh, doon kayo. Hi! Hi, Ne!
Dahil mga kids yung kasama namin, hindi sila pwedeng maubusan ng snacks in the hotel room at habang naglilibot. After nga naming mamili, nag-decide na kaming magbalik na sa hotel. Medyo malayo-layo pa kasi yung biyahe namin at tinahabol namin yung last shuttle from Tunchong to Sky City.
Di oras na rin taong pandakaki. Anong oras na? Ay, may pangil siya. Ay, dula.
10:31.
Wala pa yung bus natin.
And that was our day 1 in Hong Kong. Let's call it a day. We're going back to the hotel now. We need to sleep early
Gusto mo dun
kasi
saan?
aalis kami ng maaga
Sit ka
bukas.
doon? Doon sa second floor ng bus?
Oo.
Anong oo?
Apo.
Oo, very good po. Opo. Do you like that po?
Yay!
That's the only thing I want to eat, and then the other stuff is